I'm so lonely. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Lonely by Justin Bieber and Blanco. So for this song, put your cap on fret number 2 and we're playing these chords. So the chords are F to G, then E minor, and then F, okay? So that's I'm so lonely, F to G, and then E minor, and then for the verse, okay, so for the verse we are playing F, na 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 na, G, na 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 na, and then A minor, na 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 na. And for all these chords we're plucking to string number 2. We're not plucking string number 1. Okay, so na 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 na, na 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 na. We go back to that F, G, E minor, and then F again. So that's pretty much the whole song, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video. It has a detailed illustration on the chords. You can learn them there. Come back to this video for the progressions. Otherwise, let me know in the comment section below any other new songs that you need me to check out for y'all. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.